Class 10 students, after seeing this video, we will be able to solve the sums of median. So median, calculating median, three techniques are there. One for raw data, how to calculate median, one for tabulated data, and another for grouped data. So raw data, median formula, if it is odd, then n plus 1 by 2th term. If it is even, then formula n by 2th term plus n plus 1 by 2th term divided by 2. This is n plus 1 by 2th term divided by 2. And for tabulated data, for odd median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term and even median is equal to n by 2th term. Group data for odd, it is same for everyone, median formula n plus 1 by 2th term, and for even median is equal to n by 2th term. And quartile formula, lower quartile formula n by 4th term or n plus 1 by 4th term depending upon even or odd. For even this formula, for odd this formula. Quartile, upper quartile, that is denoted by Q3. For even 3n by 4th term and for odd 3 into n plus 1 by 4th term. And interquartile range formula Q3 minus Q1, that means upper quartile minus lower quartile. So we can solve these sums. These are the sums we can solve now. Let me show few sums for you. See here, sum number 1. These are the data. We have to find median. Now first thing, we have to arrange the data either ascending order or descending order. I have arranged here in ascending order. That means smaller to greater. 0 at first, then 1, like this. I have arranged everything. So how many data are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 data. So this is odd. Then median formula will be n plus 1 by 2th term. For odd, we have to use this formula. Value of n is 9. Put 9 plus 1 by 2th term, that is 5th term. Then you count from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the median. Fifth term is this. 4 is the median. So that is done. Now see, this is tabulated data. Here A is given, I have written this column wise. Frequency given, I have written column wise. Now one extra column you have to calculate. You have to write one extra column, that is CF, cumulative frequency. How to make cumulative frequency? The technique is, first one will be as it is, then diagonally these two you add and write here. Then these two you add, 6 plus 6, 12, right here. Then these two you add, 12 plus 10, 22, right here. Then these two add, 30 is here. Then these two add, 37. So this is the cumulative frequency table making technique. Then the formula, since here odd, then formula n plus 1 by 2th term. That means 37 plus 1 by 2th term. That is 38 by 2 means 90th term. 19th term, 19. Then where 19 is falling? See here, after 12, 19 is falling. That means 30th term here, 13th term here, 14th term also here. Up to 22nd term, it is there only. So 19th term falling here. And corresponding age is 14. So this 14 is the median. Okay. In case of quartile, if it is telling that find quartile, then we have to use quartile formula. Then which term is coming, that corresponding that terms will be the answer. So sum number 5 already done. Now 6. The same, this column given, this column given, weight given and number of boys given. So you have to find cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, first one 10 as it is. Then diagonally these two add 24, these two add 42, these two add, it will be 54, then these two add, it will be 60. That is the total n. Last one is number, that is n equal to 60. Since it is even, then formula n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. So n by 2th term is 60 by 2th term, that is 30th term plus 30 plus 1th term, 31st term divided by 2. Now see 30th term where? Here. 30th term is 30th term. Here is 30th term. And 31st term, that is also here. 39. So 39 plus 39 by 2, that is 39. Answer is coming. Then this one, see, height range is given 121 to 130, 131 to 140. So you have to make this in exclusive form. It is not in exclusive form. See, 30, then start 31. It is not continuous. So you have to make it continuous. How to do that? Adjustment factor. These two you subtract. 131 minus 130. That is 1. This is the difference. Now you have to divide difference by 2. So 1 difference by 2, that is 0.5. This 0.5 you have to subtract here. You have to add here. If you subtract here, you are getting 120.5. If you add here, you are getting 130.5. Here also subtract 0.5, so 130.5. Here you add 0.5, 140.5. Similarly, you subtract here 0.5 and add here 0.5. You will get lower class boundary and upper class boundary. Now it is continuous. See, 130.5, 130.5, 140.5, 140.5. Now this one is given number of people. So this is f. This is f, frequency, and we have to find cumulative frequency. First one as it is, then add diagonally. This plus 2 here, this plus this here, this plus this here, then this plus this here, then this plus this here, and this is the total number. Now we have to make points. How to make points? This exclusive form, the lower one, the upper boundary and the cumulative frequency. These two is the point. See, 130.5, 12 here. So next one will be 140.5, 28. Here I have written. Next one will be 150.5, 58. Here I have written. Next one will be 160.5, 78. Here I have written. Next 170.5. Here I have written, and this 19 cumulative frequency, and 180.5 this. So these are the points. Then formula median, since here n equal to 100 even, the formula is n by 2th term, that is 100 by 2th term, that is 50th term. So 50th term here it is falling, see here. But see here corresponding value, I am not getting any value because this is a range. So if range is there, we have to draw graph. From the graph we have to find median. See here I have not written what is the median. I have not written. I will get it from graph. See the graph. The point I have to put the point I calculated here 130.5 comma 12. See 130.5 comma 12. Here is the 12. This is 10. And here it is 12. So this is the point, and you have to join the previous. See, the previous point is 120.5. The first point is 120.5. So 120.5 and to the point, freehand joining you have to do. Next you see next point is this next point is 140.5, 28. 140.5, then 28 is here. See here 28. Next join these two. Like this you have to complete the putting all the points. You have to complete this cumulative frequency curve. Then see here 50th term. So 50th term means, see here 50, left side you go, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So from 50 you draw one horizontal line, give arrow sign. That means line you are drawing from here to here up to the graph. Then from the graph you draw one vertical line up to the base line. So this is the answer of the median. What is the answer? See here 140.5 and here 150.5. So in between here After calculating, I count the box and see it is 147.5. So I have written here, I have to write 147.5 is the answer. Is it clear? Now graph, this side you have to write CF and that side you have to write CI. CI means class interval. So our class interval, see here, our class interval 120 up to 180. See here 120.5 up to 180.5 I have taken, and here cumulative frequency, see, up to 100. So I have taken cumulative frequency up to 100 here, up to 100. Start from here 10, 20, 30, 40. So this side cumulative frequency, that side class interval. So this is the technique how to find median if class intervals are there. That's all for this video.